Hello, wonderful people, and welcome to Abby Juicing. Today we have an amazing recipe, one of the most delicious recipes. And please remember to subscribe. So, onto our today's recipe, we have pineapple, oranges, turmeric, ginger, and apples. This recipe is one of my favorite recipes. As you can see, we are peeling off the pineapples. Pineapple contains a lot of disease-fighting antioxidants. It also boosts immunity and supports inflammation. So next, we are going to start peeling off our oranges. Oranges are one of the most popular fruits in the world. It is easily accessible in your local markets. And the oranges has a lot of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which is not only delicious but also very neat. At this point, we are done preparing all our oranges. Next, we'll start peeling off the ginger and we shall add it into our juice. Ginger has a lot of medicinal properties. It helps lower blood sugar and improve heart disease. Stay tuned for the final outcome. Don't move. Next and finally, we will be adding our turmeric. Turmeric can be used in so many different forms. Many people use it as a spice in different kinds of food. For our case, we will use it in our juice, and turmeric drastically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. So consuming turmeric every single day has so many benefits in our health. As you can see, all our ingredients are all ready. We have chopped everything and everything is clean and ready to be juiced. In a few minutes, our amazing and delicious juice will be ready. Stay juice is almost ready. Stay tuned. The juice is almost ready. And if you make this juice, please comment down below. Let me know how you find it, because this juice is the real deal. Very delicious and full of nutrients. Having all the turmeric, the ginger, the pineapples, the oranges all combined together is very delicious. And finally, our juice is ready. Very delicious and smooth and thick. As always, I'll be juicing. See you in our next video.